Hello, welcome to another lecture. In today's lecture, we can learn about Elementor settings and its tools. Okay, which why these settings we use, why this submission and all, why, and this is useful in Elementor. Okay, so now I have installed Elementor Pro plugin in my plugin section. Here you can see that I will simply update it now. Okay. This will take some time to update the plugin, but don't worry, it takes some very less time. Okay, so I will highly recommend if your website plugin getting update, you need to update because it's a security reason. So you can simply update it your plugin. Okay, so in the left section, you can see that elementary and the template section. Okay, this both settings are coming up from element plugin. Okay, so if I click on elementor, here you can see that here in general option we have a two type, they like post type, and where we have select post and pages. Like, now what we will use for that? So in the now we will go in the post section and page section. Okay, I'll show it to you. So if I'll click on this hello world, and in the top of the section you can see that the post will option having a edit with element, and in the page section also we have a same edit with elementor button appear here. Okay, so this is the setting will coming up from here. Okay, so you can do according to you want. So after that, if I uncheck this mark and save it change, so the this button will not appear here. Okay, if I refresh it, then you can see that the button will hide. So I'll simply check it and save change it here. And now in the integration section, you can see that here we can have many type of APIs. Like if you want to embed your Google Map API here, so you can simply put it here, and your site key, reCAPTCHA and all. If your MailChimp account, so you can do here. So this is the API sections. Okay, so now in this website we don't need to use, so I'll simply recommend to avoid this section. In the advanced section, the here you can see that CSS print media, switch editor loader and all. So this is not a highly recommended option. In the feature section, you can see that inline font, flexible. Here you can enable your flexboard container, grid container. Enable, you can update and all. Okay. So this is the section for all. Okay. So in the submission section, submission section, I have in the value is 0. Like, I have created a form using Elementor, and if someone fill our form, then the one information go to our email, and second will be save it in here in submission form. Like if user will fill the form, and the user all the information in this submission form section we have. Okay, in custom fonts, like we don't have all fonts in our WordPress file. Okay, so we simply edit from here to add our custom form. Like I don't have right now example, but you can edit from here, like Udemy font. Okay, so I'll add a variation font like which type of font model you want to upload, and here you can see that which weight your font is it, and the style is normal or italic and all. And after that you can simply publish. Okay. Okay, so now we will go to the another setting of our elemental. Okay, so in the left section you can see that custom icon. We can simply leave it this custom font, and here you can see that we can upload our custom icon also. Like in elementor we don't have much icons, so if you want to add your custom icon you can simply paste it from here. Okay, after that in the left section you can see that the role manager is like if you want to take your elementor access to your subscriber, contributor, author, or editor, you can do according to you want. Okay, in the tool section, if like if your css are like um, junk file will be created, like the sync library will go to right section, or the CSS will not appear here. So you can CSL will not appear, like the color will not appear, or something like that. The flex section is not appear or anything else. So you can regenerate your CSS from here, and uh, your error will be go. Okay. In the sync library, you can also sync your library, and rest is good. Okay. In the safe mode, if your elemental was not working in the editor section, so you can do the safe mode. But highly recommend that it's disable. It's not much use for our elemental part. Okay. In the replace URL, if your website URL will change, like right now our website is in localhost. If we want to upload in live server, so we will simply copy this URL and paste it here, and our new domain URL in here. Okay, and after that we will replace our URL. Okay, we will do it later also. Okay, in the version control you can do your version control, like if you update your elementor and your website will looking bad, so you can roll back your version like this and reinstall it your previous version. Okay, and maintenance mode, if you your website was live and you want to add a maintenance mode or coming soon mode, you can do from here. Okay, and choose your template according to you. If you don't have a template, you can do from here also. Okay, so right now I'm disabling this. And in export section, if you have a template like for home page or for 404 or anything else, so you can export or import from here. Okay, in the system info, like this will provide you the system your backend server, like what is your software, what is your PHP version, what is the memory limit of this and all. Okay, so this will not our website part. Okay, so we don't are working on that. So this is the video that Elementor will create, that how can you use Elementor. Okay, in get help section, this will redirect to the Elementor help page, and you can learn your all kind of doubt from here. Okay, after that in the template section we have a save template, like we will create a in future upcoming lecture we will see that how can we create a templates, how can we create a pop-up, and all. This will be very good to have, learn these templates. Okay, we can create a pop-up. This is the section of pop-ups. This is a theme builder. Like we will create a header, we will create a footer, we will create a single post, footer post, single page, and all. Okay, so this is the section we will create all of this. In the landing page, if you want to create a landing page, you can also create a landing page for your website. In the kit library, I have a 2 year of experience, but I haven't used this kit library. You can use also, but I don't think this will be useful for you. If you want to, then you can learn. Okay, you can create also. And now here you can see that if you want to add any of these, you can add it from here. And here is the category, like for any kind of category in the Elementor. Okay, so this is the all of in the Elementor, and we will see you in the next lecture. Okay, thank you guys.